Hello coders. As a part of the basic C programming series, in this video I am solving the factorial of a number problem. Let's enter upon. Factorial of a number is defined as the product of all natural numbers less than 10. For example, the factorial of 5 is which is equal to, we are going to implement this in our program. For this, we need to get a number from the user, for which we are going to calculate the factorial. And multiply the number with the previous numbers. In other words, to get a factorial of a number, we need to multiply that number with the factorial of the previous number. Let's start the programming. For this, I need a variable to store the n value, and to store the factorial value, and I am initializing it 1, and I for looping. I am getting a number from the user. This can be written in short as and finally displaying the factorial value. Let's run the program. Factorial of 5 is 120. and then for 3 the factorial value becomes 20 star 3 and the decrement occurs. I value is changed to 2 and the condition is satisfied, then true. The factorial value on the second the fourth iteration, that is for the value 2, is the previous value star 2, which is 60 star 2 is 1 2 and 1 2, and for 1 it is true. We can minimize this expression laterly. While writing logically, we have to multiply up to 1, but the multiple with 1 of any number gives the same number. Hence, we can omit that one multiplication for decreasing the execution time.